I need some. I need it. I don't think they know how to eat a carrot.
Little one. What?
I think it's funny how they waddle.
Waddle, waddle.
That's how they walk.
Waddles.
Oh, look at that little one.
Oh, hey, why? No, you don't have to eat it right out of my hand. You can just eat it off the sand. Why are you staring at me like that? Well, he just bit his friend. Harsh.
He's hungry.
Don't walk away from me. I'm talking to you.
They don't take it a minute, sir.
Oh, is that bird poop? Do you have bird poop on your back?
All your needs will be met.
Right after you sign this contract. Take the letter, sir.
It's a very big tree.
Oh, hello. There's one under you, bud. I like this one.
He's just like... he's living his
He's
best
like
life.
a puppy.
Wait for the waves to come up.
1 second. My hands hurt.
Guys, the ones are fighting the seagulls. Some of these iguanas are so fat that they're helpless. I don't even think they can swim.
You gotta be... You're moving it. Good. There you go. It's moving. It's going. Oh, it's going. It's going. Oh, you have to move it a foot.
Just pull straight out. Pull straight out. You got it.
All the waves gotta come up. There you go. It's in. Got it. Not in yet. Not in yet.